In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort out report in QuickBooks. We'll walk through the customize options so you can shape your report to show exactly what you need and present it clearly. With your report open, head to the top right and select the Customize button. A small panel will appear. This panel has two main sections: the Data tab for what's included in the report and the Visual tab for how it looks. We'll start with Data. Inside the Data tab, begin with Filters. This is where you narrow the report to the information that matters. Choose the accounts, customers, vendors, products, locations, or other fields that are relevant, and set the time period that matches your analysis. Tight filters make a report faster to read and easier to trust. Next, go to Number Format. Here you can adjust decimals, choose whether to show the thousand separator, and decide how negative numbers appear. Small tweaks, like using parentheses for negatives or reducing decimals, can make trends stand out and prevent misreads. Move on to Aging. If your report involves balances over time, such as receivables or payables, pick the basis you want, typically by invoice date or due date, and set the day ranges so the aging buckets reflect how you manage follow-ups. Clear aging buckets help you prioritize what needs attention first. Use Show Non-Zero or Active to reduce clutter. Turning off zero rows or inactive accounts keeps the focus on lines that have actual activity. This is especially helpful on wide or detailed reports. In Header, update the report title and any subheadings so readers instantly know what they're looking at. Clear labels save time and avoid confusion. In Footer, add small notes, dates, or other context that's useful when sharing or printing, such as a reminder about the period covered. If you need extra calculations, open Calculated Fields. You can create simple formulas to add custom metrics right in the report, like ratios or differences, so you don't have to hop into a spreadsheet. Now, switch to the Visual tab. In Row Settings, adjust the density and alignment so your rows are easy to scan. If you're working with a lot of detail, slightly tighter spacing can fit more on screen without feeling crowded. In Column Settings, resize or reorder columns to bring key figures to the front, and align numbers in a way that's consistent and readable. Finally, toggle grid lines on or off. Grid lines can improve readability for dense reports, while turning them off can create a cleaner look when presenting. That's it. Use these options thoughtfully, and your QuickBooks report will be precise, readable, and ready to share.